Alright, my name is Kenneth Bassi. I'm an affiliate for HempWorx CBD OIL and my Daily Choice company. Good to see you here. Today I have two things to share with you. Alright, first I want to share with you how you can sit at the comfort of your home and build your business online using Facebook advertisement. Alright, for those of us that does not really know what CBD oil is all about, CBD oil is a very powerful supplement. It has so many health benefits. At the time of recording this video, I found out that so many doctors, so many pharmacists are not aware of this. And this is what the richest people do. They go ahead, they move ahead of others and position themselves before others. Okay, so this supplement is extracted from hemp plant in Kentucky, United States. This company is registered, endorsed, and regulated by the U.S. Hemp Roundtable. It's totally legal. Okay, this product has taken care of so many things in the body: arthritis, epileptic, cancer, backbone, anxiety. I mean, so many of them are, because of time, I don't really want to go deep telling more about the benefit, but you can go on your own, learn more about what is CBD oil. Honestly, this business, this oil is something that is taking the world by storm. You may not have heard it, but thank God you are hearing it today. Now, the company is asking you and I to join this company now. Bring two persons, just two, one at the left, one at the right. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that. Now, before we proceed, there's something very important I want you to understand. The traditional way we used to do business before is gradually eliminated because of the exponential rise in technology, software, internet, and automation. Right? So prospect, lead, customers. Okay, you know, more your business is exposed to people, more customers, more prospect, and more money you make. And today, because of technology, all these prospect customers are on the internet. So you need to know the detail are important for you. In the next 5 minutes, honestly, you are going to see exactly what I am doing to bring 5 persons in a day joining this business. Now take note, if someone join this business and converts and become an executive in this company, you are getting paid daily, weekly and monthly. With God on your side and grace of God upon you, 2 persons can change your life. So it's good for you this time to position yourself in this business because it's not saturated. A lot of people don't know this business. A lot of persons are not aware. And by the time they get to know the benefits, the health benefit of this company, a lot of people want to, billionaires, we want to invest their money and time in this business. So it's good for you that it's opportune to listen to this business now to key in. So right now, I'm taking you to my computer and I will show you the secret of how I'm sitting at the comfort of my home and bringing people to join this business. Thank you. Alright, so what I really want you to see here in the back office of this company is the contact. When you sign up, when you join this company, you will have access to this back office where you see what is happening in your business every day. People that are joining you, okay, the statistics of what is happening. Or at the back of this, at the top right of the website, as you can see, this is my name here, Kenneth Bassi. This is my ID. Now, let me show you the contact list, people that are joining me. All right, this is a contact manager. Okay, it's loading. I want to show you how people, what I'm doing for people to join me every day at the comfort of my home. All right, let me expand the view for you to see it wider. Okay, so this is, as you can see from here now, right? So this is Margaret Markwood. This is her email address. This is her phone number. You pre-enrolled on this platform, These are people that have indicated interest to have a look of this company, to know what this company is all about and how to get started. So this is Makinde Sylvester, email address, phone number, Lil Omole. This is this Oluwatobi, his email address, Oluwatosin, email address, his phone number, and this is Joseph Ogunsowa, his email address, and this is his phone number, 0805476. These are people that have indicated interest to join my business online. This is what you are going to be doing. Or this is Cyril Ewa, this is Augustine Labufe, and Dekunde Okoye. This is his email address. Corwin Antia, Donald Jakawa, and Minda Timothy Sani, Adekinyi, Okay, Ogabo. All these are email addresses. They're signing with their email address and their phone number. The company follow you up and welcome you and begin to give you free training once you join this company. Let me just show you the next page. As you can see, this is the page 1. Let me show you the page 2 of people that are actually joining this business every day. Okay, so all right, so this is the page 2. This is Okay Abiku Collins Spray Akoye. Oh yeah, this guys. Now, when you join this company, the company will follow you up. I personally call it. Now, all right. So now there's something very important I want you to understand here. Because of the exponential rise in technology, software, computer, automation, and the rest of all this, employment is dead. Companies are not employing. Oil is declining. Everything is declining. The only successful industry today is networking. So you have to learn it and know it. It's a must that you have to learn it and know it. Alright? So you take note. This is what you have to do. So below this video, there's a link. Just a pre-enrollment link. Just put your name, your phone number. I will personally give you access to this training. My network marketing blueprints, how I'm sitting at the comfort of my home. Even if you don't use it for this business, you can use it for any other business that pleases you. You need to position your business to a wider audience. Take note, more your business is shown to people, more people are seeing it. More customers, more profit, more prospects you make, and more money you have. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for watching this video. I see you in my next video, which I'm going to show you how to leverage YouTube to bring your business to a wider audience too. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.